Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the API key on your NovelAI account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in novelai.net and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official NovelAI website. Now, right from the homepage, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be able to use your email address and password in order to log in to your account. After logging in, if you wish to get your API token key, then just expand the menu from the top left corner and then click on the gear icon. Now from the gear icon, hover over to account and click on it. And now you will see the get persistent API token button. Go ahead and click on this once again. And if you see an overwrite button, you will need to click on it in order to create a new API token. Once you see your token, you can either click on the copy button to copy this in your clipboard, and you can also click on show full token in order to view your full token ID. And now you can paste your API token in any platform where you wish to use it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find the API token of your NovelAI account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.